Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. Thanks for joining me today. I had some shaved steak in my freezer, so I decided to make homemade cheesesteaks. I've never used the shaved steak before. I've always used steak-em. I will say the shaved meat definitely tastes 1,000 times better.
Don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, but used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You bluffed on me, now we mad because you let me low. Shit ain't fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic, but you still give me head if I had day shifts. I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you top me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
World, I'ma walk in direction. Just without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it is.
I'm just taking my knife and kind of making sure that all the meat is done, breaking it apart.
Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it is.
I just knew I had more cheese than this. I don't know why I didn't check first, and it turned out good. It just would have been more cheesier had I had more cheese.